Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Leaving. That is it. Manhattan Beach.
I think, yeah,
This is Manhattan. It's not a beginner surfing
no
beach, but she may try it.
It depends, but I'm gonna be like tired.
Yeah, so we're gonna just go by the beach right now until we park.
GoPro.
So you're gonna put on the wetsuit. It's pretty cold. So put on the wetsuit. So let's go do that.
Which way does it go? I'm done. And if they tell me I have this backward, I'm gonna scream. This is my blubber. I can't breathe. Mommy. Tummy tuck. This is hard to breathe in.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
You saw how I risked the little thing out? Ain't nothing coming out of it, but I'm just breaking. Oh, a little pasta right here. Where's that little tang coming from? We are at the, what market is Playa Vista?
Yes.
At the Playa Vista market. Dang it, gotta put my mask back on. And we're just at the farmer's market.
years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time.
We're on our way to our Airbnb by our host. And we are just on the road now. I think we just got outside of LA, right?
Yes.
Just got outside of LA. We have about
2.5 hours from LA.
2.5 hours from LA. Kids in the back. And it's an adventure. Yeah, I let my hair stay up. I'm supposed to wrap it up, but this is the real thing now.
I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la, la 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 la,
I'm here at the desert house, and it looks beautiful. Woo! Come on out. Uh-oh. Look at the pool, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. There's a few hammocks. This is the dining table. There are a few hammocks over here. There's some outdoor seating over there. Look at that. You can just have a bonfire out here.
This is your room, Mama.
So gorgeous. Oh, look at the light. This is gorgeous. Look at the closet space. It's so beautiful.
If you don't do that, you're never going to experience.
We just finished up at Joshua Tree and it was absolutely amazing. We enjoyed it so much. Look at this one. So now to go get some what? Dinner? Oh, come on now. Yeah, let's get that bands now. Oh, that's right, girl. Do it. Yeah, that's a squat. Stop to get some. This beautiful mountain and Joshua Tree. It's beautiful.